What's up, y'all? I'm a firm believer that when you look good, you feel good, and maybe you do good. With that being said, let's get this hair together. I'm going to install some crochet today because I feel like I need something that is definitely going to be a protective style, but also it's going to give me the ability to just wake up in the morning and just go. Okay, I'm not going to have to do anything but just like probably shake it and go. So I'm going to be installing this human hair crochet hair, and it's from QVR. I've actually worked with them on many occasions, and this isn't my first time installing the human hair crochet, the crochet human hair. I feel like I'm saying it wrong. I've dibbled and dabbled in color before, and we're gonna do a little bit more color this time. So I'm going to be installing this hair right here. It's 20 inches. The color is T2, and it has a mix of the number 30 in it. So I'm excited to see how it turns out. We have more of a tight, smaller curl this time around. And one thing about them, they're gonna make sure you have a crochet needle. Every pack of hair they send, they be having a crochet needle. I'm like, baby, I don't know if I need that many crochet needles, but I'm so appreciative of it because they're making sure we good. They're making sure we have what we need. One thing I do want to say is this is 100% human, and I have said that you can reuse this, and it says it on the website as well, but just from personal experience, I don't feel like I'm able to reuse the hair after I've worn it. It's just not easy for me to take the hair out and it's still in like a good condition as to where I can install it again. Maybe I'm not doing something right, so I'm going to try to figure this thing out, then see like how I can reuse this hair, like take it out and reuse it, because I know on the website and they told me that it is reusable. It's a close-up of the color. So you have your darker brown at the top, lighter brown at the bottom. My braid pattern, I have 12 braids across the front, and I just have 5 big braids in the back. And parting really doesn't matter, especially with the back. No one's gonna see it, especially the way that I wear my hair. So we're gonna go ahead and just start installing each piece. Each individual piece looks like this. So it has the thread right here in the middle. This is what makes it look so seamless when you install each strand of hair, like each crochet strand. It makes it look so seamless. It makes it lay so flat, and it also helps with the security of the crochet hair. You don't have to worry about it sliding out. And you're gonna crochet the hair in the traditional way that you crochet it. You take your needle, go underneath the braid, and I like to go right here where the thread is, put it in the hook, close the hook, pull it underneath, and then I just go through this loop right here one time. So it should look like this, and I go through the loop one time, making sure I'm keeping my hand on this thread, because you want that thread to be right here at the braid, and that is all you do. Done installing the hair. I am basically finished, but I have like this last row right here to fill in, and then I may just fill in any other like sparse areas. But I am on my 5th pack of hair. The last time I did a style with their hair, I used 5 packs. So 5 packs will get you a nice full head of hair. And I have all of these extra crochet needles, because literally every pack of hair they put a crochet needle in. All right, y'all, so we are pretty much done installing the hair. I have a few strands left, and I was kind of thinking about filling in this side a little bit more just to make it a little fuller, like under here. So I think I'm gonna put just a few pieces in, and then we're gonna go ahead and cut it to give it some shape. So I'm just gonna randomly go in like different areas and add more pieces where I feel like I want it to be a little bit more fuller. So what I wanna do, as you can see, it's looking a little blah because we have no shape or anything. So what we're gonna do is just go in and cut a few layers just to frame my face. And I'm just taking little pieces of, you see that looks better already. So I'm just gonna take like a little bunch and we're gonna go down the hair, just opening and closing the shears. See how that looks so much better compared to this side? So we're gonna do the same thing to this side. So I am loving how this came out. I will have everything linked down below in the description box, the curl pattern, the length, and the links to where you can find this hair is from QVR. So thank you to QVR for sponsoring today's video and sending your girl this hair so I can share it with you guys. And I'm definitely a fan of this brand. I've worked with them on multiple occasions, so the quality of the hair is definitely there. And I feel like human hair crochet, like crochet human hair is like a game changer. You can definitely wear it longer, you can detangle it, just add your conditioner in it, and like you can add heat to it. Like it's so much you can do with the human hair crochet hair. Also with a style like this, you can do multiple styles. So I'm going to do some B-roll and show you different styles that you can achieve with this one hairstyle. So if you guys are interested, I will have everything linked down below in the description box. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Take